Disclaimer. I just went to the dentist and half my face is numb, so if the audio sounds a little weird, that's probably why. But just ignore that and enjoy the video. Thanks. Alright, 6 elements of geography. Hey kids, welcome to my video presentation. Today, I will be talking about the 6 elements of geography. The 6 elements of geography are latitude, it has attitude. Longitude, it's long. Hemispheres, it's half a sphere. Continents, the huge hunks of land we inhabit. And oceans, the huge amounts of water that surround the, you guessed it, huge hunks of land we inhabit. Now, I understand that what I just said was pretty much just the absolute bare minimum of what all these words mean, but don't worry about it. Now, I shall go into specifics. Latitude is basically the measurement of lines that are parallel to the equator, or, in simpler terms, lines that run horizontally. This is applicable to geography because it's an essential part of grid mapping. They're important to grid mapping as they show how far north or south of the equator they are located. Longitude is the same in the same sense, except instead of running horizontally, they run vertically up the globe. These lines are known as meridians, which means circles of constant longitude that run through the earth. This is applicable to geography in the same way latitude is. Longitude is important to grid mapping as they show how far east or west of the prime meridian they are. When both latitude and longitude are used, they can give you the location or coordinates of any place in the world. This is called grid mapping, which I already have previously mentioned. Grid mapping is useful as numbers don't really have a language, so anyone can understand it, as well as it being an easier way to point out a location on a map. Now, onto hemispheres. Hemispheres of Earth are basically refers to any time you slice the globe into 2 halves. Hemispheres exist because of the equator. This is important to geography as it shows you how long you would have to go around the globe to get somewhere. This now brings us into continents and oceans. Continents are basically the huge hunks of land in which we inhabit. They're important because it's where we live. Without them, there wouldn't even be geography. You can't have geography without a geo to study.